With so much media clutter, digital advertising, and the explosion of data created via mobile devices, it's difficult to communicate with personalized marketing. Personalization isn't just some marketing hype. It's a complex concept that can unlock embedded value and enable companies to self-create intangible assets from big data. To achieve maximum value from big data requires a paradigm shift and means moving away from doing business as usual. How do you embark on this complex journey? By embracing the 15 steps of Knowledge 350, you get a far clearer picture of your customers. Knowledge 350 is a systematic and logical process of understanding what your customers value most and enables you to collect data in a POPI-compliant manner. Collecting data in a POPI-compliant manner means you have a permission-based marketing strategy to collect meaningful data from your customers. This data is then processed via defined key performance indicators and metrics to create information and then knowledge, which has insights, inference, and context. The Knowledge 350 process enables companies to move from a mass market viewpoint to a singular deep granular view of each of their customers. The deep granular view is developed into a knowledge dashboard equipped to analyze this data and produce meaningful business analytics and allows for algorithmic marketing. The knowledge dashboard is then interfaced to a self-provisioning marketing dashboard that enables companies to send out marketing, coupons, and other value-added material that is anticipated, relevant, and meaningful to consumers. The entire Knowledge 350 process enables companies to self-create intangible assets and develop meaningful insights about their customers and other stakeholders to enhance returns on investment.